Hi everyone, it's your girl Regina, the Side Hustle Queen, coming to you with another video. In today's video, we're going to sublimate a cell phone case wallet as well as a sublimation clock. I really needed a clock for my work area, so I decided to grab me a sublimation clock off of A-Sub as well as a cell phone case. I had one of these type cases I bought from somewhere, I don't know, with my last phone, so I'm really super excited because I get to do my own this time. I don't have to buy it, I can make it myself. And I want to give a shout out to Koala Paper. Koala Paper actually sent us some sublimation paper as well as the water slide no spray water slide paper. So in this video, we're going to try out the sublimation paper, and hopefully on the next video we can try the water slide. I did some power wash tumblers and I'm planning on putting a water slide on them, so I'm super excited about trying those out. So make sure, if this is your first time joining me, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I shoot DIY videos as well as cruise tip videos, so make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you will not miss out. So the two designs that I printed for these two projects, y'all know I love my designer, so I'm doing the designer for the case because this case is going to be my case for my phone, and I'm actually going to put my logo onto the clock. I'm going to sublimate my logo onto the clock. Now what I did notice about the A-Sub paper, which is kind of odd because I've been using, the Koala Paper, because I've been using A-Sub paper for well over a year. The print looks really, really vibrant and really good compared to the A-Sub. I'm sorry, just by first glance, this picture look awesome. This picture look awesome. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not down in A-Sub or anything like that. I love my A-Sub paper. It prints well, but I'm really shocked and surprised about how the Koala Paper really printed. It printed really well. So I'm super excited to see how it print onto our sublimation items. So, you know, I'm one of them people that if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But if Koala Paper decided to send me some paper to try out and I start loving it, this might be my new paper. But like I said, it printed out just fine. It printed out really well. So I'm super excited about sublimating these items. Okay. So as far as the size, for the size of this paper, I did for the clock, I just did an 8x8 because my logo is really surrounded by white. So I just wanted to sublimate it onto the clock. And for the cell phone, different cell phones is different. You know, you have to measure whatever case you get. I got an iPhone 12. So I did the height at 6.25 and I did the width at 3.25. But again, if you decide to head over to A-Sub and grab you a cell phone wallet, then you make sure you measure it because cell phones are different sizes. Don't use my size unless you have an iPhone 12. So we're going to go ahead and get these items taped down. I got the heat press already heated up. We're going to get one good press at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. So I'm gonna show y'all guys how I'm gonna take these up, and we're gonna find out just how great the Koala Paper works out. Okay everyone, I have adjusted the camera so you guys can see what I'm about to do. So one of the things I noticed instantly is that the clock do not have a clear foam over it. So I grabbed me a paper towel, some heat tape, pair of scissors, and my alcohol so I can wipe it off because I can see little, I guess from where I was searching it, little prints. But I also noticed too that it have a little gash right there. So I'm pretty sure it's probably not going to sublimate in that area. But I'm not going to worry about it because it's going to go into my work room. So make sure when you receive your product to make sure you take a look at it. Okay. So the good thing about the clock is it's all round, so it's really no up or upside down, no way to go wrong with the clock, because once you put it together, you put your hands and stuff the way you want to. I'm not putting numbers or anything on mine. I just wanted kind of like my logo, because I can kind of estimate when it's 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 o'clock like that. So that's just my preference. If you want to, want numbers on your clock, make sure you put numbers on your design before you print it out. It's just something that I didn't want. And again, that's a personal preference. So I am going to tape it down. I'm not going to cut the circle out or anything like that. I'm going to tape it down, and we're going to press it. And when I take it over to the press, we're going to press it face up because you want the heat to be right on top of it, okay? And then I'm also going to do my cell phone case, which is I'm going to press it like hanging off of the heat press. So hopefully, I'm kind of nervous about the case, but hopefully it'll be fine. Now, because my camera hole is right here, I want to make sure that I press it not upside down. So be conscious of where your camera is at when you doing the cell phone case. And again, once I put it on the heat press, I'm gonna let that part hang off. And once again, I'm just gonna put some heat tape on it and tape it down. This is super easy to do. And just like that, we ready. So we're going to head over to the heat press, and we're going to press it, and we're going to come back and see how it came out. Okay, everyone, I am back. I have put both items onto the heat press at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. So now I am super excited to see just how well the koala paper works. As you can see, I have not revealed it yet. So we're going to reveal it together. So, okay, my first thoughts is I'm finna switch from Aesop to the koala paper. Oh my God, y'all, this is beautiful. I am so excited. I'm trying not to get it too much into the light. I'm like literally speechless on how this case came out. I don't know if it's the sublimation blank or if it's actually the koala paper, but this color and print looks amazing. This, oh my God, y'all, this looks really amazing. So I'm super excited to see how the clock turned out. So let's see how this clock turned out. And make sure the cloth is still a little warm at touch. So I'm going to put one of my gloves on. Okay, y'all. Okay. Okay, y'all. This is nice. First of all, I want to give a shout out to Koala Print. Oh my God, this is some koala paper. I'm saying print. I'm so excited. I can't even hardly get it right. It's going to be a link in the description bar for you to grab you some of this paper. Like I said, I want to give a shout out first of all to Koala paper, because this koala paper is really nice. It sublimates awesome, y'all. Look at that picture. Look at that picture. That picture is nice. The color is just popping. I really believe, in my opinion, that this picture is popping a whole lot better than the Aesop paper. I'm sorry. This is just my opinion. I'm finna grab me like a tumbler and do next. But this print is really popping. So, I mean, y'all know me. If it ain't working, I'm gonna tell y'all it don't work. But this here koala paper actually really works. I'm like super impressed, super amazed, super impressed. So I want to give a shout out first of all to Koala Paper for sending us a pack of their paper as well as their water slide paper. So I'm super excited to try that, because this is some really good paper. I give it my 100%, my thumbs up. Y'all run out, y'all grab y'all the pack, y'all really try it out. The link will be in the bio. I'm also want to give a shout out to Aesop. Their link will also be in the bio, because this is a cell phone case, or this little cell phone wallet. Wait a minute, y'all. Now, what I don't like about the cell phone wallet is because I had to let it hang off a little bit. It look like I got a little white streak right there. So I'm gonna clean this up with some water, because most of the time it's just the paper and you clean it up with the water. But I still want to give a shout out to ASAP because this case came out really nice. And I also want to give a shout out to their cloth because the print on this cloth is really nice. The paper as well as the sublimation blank combined together made an awesome project. So I'm going to put this together, you guys, and make sure you head over to my Facebook page, Side Hustle Queen Creation, and see me put it up on the wall. I want to thank everybody for watching another one of my videos. And again, I want to give a shout out to Koala Paper for sending me a pack of their paper to try out on my channel. I really love this paper. I'm super excited about using it on more projects. Thank y'all again. And thank everybody for being a part of my YouTube channel. Don't forget to head over to my website, www.sidehustlequeencreations.com. Grab you some sublimation blanks. Grab you some sublimation custom items that I make. All purchases do help with the channel as far as promoting and doing projects. Thank you guys again for being a part of my YouTube channel. And I will see you guys on the next video. And as always, believe in yourself when nobody else does. Thanks, everyone.